I am going to walk you through the Center for Community Engaged Learning's online system. The first section is the My Students tab. When you click on this tab, you will see the information for the current semester you are teaching and also any previous semesters you have taught. By clicking on each respective course, it will bring up the information for that semester. Once you click on the course, you will see the name of all of the students who participated in Community Engaged Learning. You can find more information by clicking on each student's name. You can see the courses that they are enrolled in, and if they are enrolled in more than one course for that semester, it will be listed here. You can view the students' work history, so you can see previous organizations they have volunteered with, as well as any active organizations, which means organizations they are currently volunteering with for your course. The referral requests is a tab you will want to keep an eye on at the beginning of the semester. All of the students who are going to be engaged in community engaged learning will send in their referral request. This means they are submitting their top 3 volunteer choices. You can see those listed here. This will be sent automatically to the first organization they have chosen as soon as they submit the form. If you click the View button, you can see more information about the specific referral requests they put in. This includes their availability and also their reason for requesting the position. It is also important for you to know how to check a student's hours. If you click on the Hours tab, you will be able to see the hours a student has logged. You will see the name of the course listed here. In yellow, you will see hours that a student has put into the system but has not submitted to the organization yet. We suggest that students submit their hours weekly for their organizations to approve. Once a student has submitted them to the organization, you will see them show up in blue. And after the organization approves them, they will be green. If an organization rejects a student hours, this means there is some reason that they cannot verify those hours. You will want to contact your Community Engaged Learning Liaison if you see rejected hours and you are not sure why. Another important thing to note about the student list is that you can view each of your students quickly by clicking the Next tab. For example, you will be able to see all of the hours that your students have logged by continuing to click Next. In addition, for work history, if you want to quickly see which of your students have submitted a referral request, click on Work History and then Referral Request, and then continue to push Next, and you can view all of your students. If you want to go back to your main student list, just click on the name of your course, and it will bring you back to the main list. When you click on My Courses, you will be able to see all of the semesters in which you have taught a Community Engaged Learning course. By clicking on the name of the course, it will pull up more information. Please feel free to go in and add in additional information about your course if you would like. We would ask that you upload the course syllabus here. Community partners are able to view this file, and it helps to give them information about the learning outcomes and goals in your course. Also, on this Course Section tab, you will be able to see all of the positions that are listed for your course. This is a quick way for you to be able to look and see the different opportunities that are available to your students. If you click the Service Learning Organizations and Positions tab, this can be a helpful tool in seeing what previous faculty have used as volunteer opportunities for certain courses. Click on the Previous Course Offerings tab. Then select a course. You will see the corresponding semester, for example, Spring 2021, and then you can go down to the course that you are teaching, such as English 1501. Once you click on that class, it will pull up all of the volunteer positions that were used for that class during the semester you've selected. This can be a great way to learn what types of positions have been listed for the class you are going to be teaching. If you click on the My Contact Info tab, you will be able to update your email and phone number. We encourage you to use this helpful PDF as you are navigating the online system. This Community Service Learning Web System Help Guide for Faculty contains all of the information that we are going over in this video. The last thing we are going to show you on this video is how to run reports. If you click on the Reports tab, there are 3 different options for running reports. If you click on the Student Roster tab, you can pull up previous semesters that you've taught or the current semester you are teaching and run a web-based report or a Microsoft Excel sheet report. Once you click View Report, you will see the name of your student, the course they are in, the organization they are volunteering for, what position they are in with the organization, the contact member at the organization, and also, most importantly, the hours that are either pending or have been approved. By the end of the semester, all of your students who are engaging in the community engaged learning opportunity should have completed the required number of hours, which will be listed in this column. Another helpful report to run is the Service Learning Overview. Again, click on the semester for which you would like to pull the information. On this tab, you will see the student's information as well as the course they are in, whether or not they have attended training. This is something you will discuss with your community engaged learning liaison. And then information about both their hours that they've submitted and the hours that have been accepted, as well as whether or not they have completed the course survey at the end of the semester. We hope you have found this informational video helpful as you navigate the Center for Community Engaged Learning's online system.